Students, today we are going to solve some MCQs on geography, resources and development for standard 10th. So let us start. Question 1. Iron ore is an example of dash type of resource. A. Flow. B. Biotic. C. Non-renewable. And D. Renewable. And the correct answer is C. Non-renewable. Question number 2. Which of the following resource is tidal energy? A. Replenishable. B. Abiotic. C. Man-made. And D. Non-recyclable. And the answer is A. Replenishable. Question number 3. Factor responsible for soil erosion in the state of Punjab is dash. A. Over irrigation. B. Overgrazing. C. Excessive cultivation. And D. Steep slopes. And the correct answer is A. Over irrigation. Question number 4. State in which the net sown area over 80% of the total area of the land is dash. A. Maharashtra and Goa. B. Goa and Karnataka. C. Punjab and Haryana. And D. Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And the correct answer is C. Punjab and Haryana. Question number 5. What is the main type of soil found in the deltas of eastern coast? A. Black. B. Alluvial. C. Red. And D. Sandy. And the answer is B. Alluvial soil. Question number 6. The state in which terrace cultivation is practiced is dash. A. Plains of Uttar Pradesh. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Haryana. And D. Punjab. And the answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Question 7. Black soil is found in dash. A. Jharkhand. B. Uttaranchal. C. Rajasthan. And D. Gujarat. Answer is D. Gujarat. Question number 8. Dash soil is useful for growing tea and coffee in hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. A. Alluvial. B. Laterite. C. Raker. And D. Red. Option is B. Laterite soil is useful for growing tea and coffee in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Question number 9. Dash state has the net sown area less than 10% of the total area of the land. A. Mizoram. B. Punjab. C. Haryana. D. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 10. In which of the following state has overgrazing led to land degradation? A. West Bengal. B. Karnataka. C. Rajasthan. D. Chhattisgarh. And the answer is C. Rajasthan. 11. The main crop grown in black soil is dash. A. Rice. B. Cotton. C. Wheat. D. jute. And the answer is B. Cotton. Next question. An important characteristic of resource is dash. A. Utility. B. Conservation. C. Planning. And D. Classification. And the answer is A. Utility. Question 13. A developed nation in the world is dash. A. Bangladesh. B. Nepal. C. United States. And Sri Lanka. And the answer is C. United States. Question 14. A developing nation in the world is dash. A. Russia. B. Germany. C. Japan. And D. India. And the answer is D. India. Question number 15. Which one of the following is a renewable resource? A. Soil. B. Mineral oil. C. Thermal electricity. And D. Coal. And the answer is A. Soil. Question number 16. Which of the following is non-renewable resource? A. Cotton. B. Thermal electricity. C. Wool. And D. Livestock. And the answer is B. Thermal electricity. So next question 17. India's plain land area is dash. A. About 42%. B. About 63%. C. 83%. And D. 93%. And India's plain land area is about 42%. 18. Pasture is a dash. A. Land owned by all countries of the world. B. Land owned only for growing rice. C. Land covered with natural grass. D. Land covered with mud. And the answer is C. Land covered with natural grass. Question number 19. The most important role in formation of soil is played by A. By dash. A. Water. B. Air. C. Mountain. D. Rocks. And the answer is D. Rocks. Next question. Gully erosion makes soil dash. A. Unfit for cultivation. B. Very good for cultivation. C. Fit for cultivation. And D. Very rich. And the answer is unfit for cultivation. Question 21. Which factor is not a physical factor influencing land use in an area? A. Slope of the land. B. Absence of soil cover. C. Drainage of the land. And D. Population. And the answer is D. Population, which is a physical factor. Number 22. Dash is a biotic resource. A. Plant. B. Water. C. Coal. And D. Petroleum. And the correct option is A. Plant. Next question. Dash state has laterite soil. A. Bihar, B. Kerala, C. Gujarat, and D. Uttar Pradesh. And the answer is B. Kerala. Question number 24. An example of non-renewable resource is dash. A. Wildlife, B. Wind, C. Minerals, and D. Forest. And the answer is C. Minerals.